Assalamu alaikum dear students. Please open your workbooks today. As you know that yesterday we did the book activities of the Skylark, and today we'll be doing the workbook activities of the same lesson. Students, even today we have the same activities what we did yesterday about tenses. Today in this exercise which we are going to do, they are about present simple and present continuous tenses. Like open page number 31, there is an exercise. They said, say whether the verbs in the sentences below are in simple present or the present continuous. So, students, let's recall what we read about present simple. Why they mentioned here that say whether the verbs in the sentences are simple or simple continuous? Because verbs tell us what action is taking place. For example, if we say the boy is drinking, we know what the boy is doing. He is drinking. Verbs also tell us whether the action is finished, is going right now, or will take place in future. Okay? So what is the main difference between simple present tense and simple present continuous tense? You remember that sentences which tell us what happens every day or generally or in a routine way, they are present simple tense. Okay? And sentences which tell us what is happening now are the present continuous tense. Okay? And in present continuous tense, what do? We always know and recognize the present continuous tense with its helping verb is are or am, and with the usage of first form of verb with ing. Okay, so let's do the exercise now. As they have given us blocks, they want us to write the abbreviations of the full form. Okay, the first one they have done for us, the child is crying. So what we are going to see? We are going to see the verb. Verb is cry. Crying. It means cry is the first form of verb and ing is telling us that this sentence belongs to present continuous tense. Okay. B is she is walking down the road. Again in this sentence, is walking. Walking is our verb. Is our helping verb. So this is also letting us know that this belongs to present continuous tense. So we will write P.C here. Fine. C is I write poetry. So what is the verb here? Write. So which form of verb is it? This is simple present. This is first form of verb. So this is our simple present tense. We will write it as S.V. Simple present. D is the taxi is waiting at the corner. So what is verb here? Waiting. First form of verb wait with ing plus helping verb is. What does it mean? Present continuous. Again, next sentence, we play games in the garden. What is the verb here? Play. Play is our first form of verb. So there is no any helping verb and the sentence is telling us something that happens in routine. So this is our simple present. F is you are reading this book. What is verb here? Reading. First form of verb with ing along with helping verb are. Right? So this is again present continuous. H is Sarim and Sumer practice singing. Okay, what is verb here? Practice. What is verb here? Practice. This is first form of verb. What do? Sarim and Sumir, they practice singing. So this is their routine. This is simple present. I is the girl is taking dancing lessons. So what is verb here? What is the action playing in this sentence? Taking. What the girl is doing? She is taking classes. So taking is ing plus helping verb is our am. So this is present continuous. The last sentence, we are watching the birds fly over the hills. So what is the action we are doing here? We are watching. Watching means first form of verb with ing. So along with our helping verb. So this is our present continuous. Hope you have understood this activity. The next activity is also almost the same, but we'll have to add more from our side. Here they said change these sentences from the simple present to the present continuous. Here I have written a formula that you'll keep in your mind before doing this exercise. Remember, this is the formula of present continuous tense. Subject plus is, are, am, which are the helping verbs, plus verb for first with ing plus object. So we will keep this in our mind and then we will transform from present simple to present continuous. Okay. The example is the postman brings a letter every day. So what is our subject? The postman. Then what we will do? We will put is, are or am helping verb accordingly. So the postman is a single unit. So we will write is. Then first form of verb bring will change into ing, bringing what? A letter now. Now tells us that something is happening now. Hope you have understood this example. Now we will do the exercise similarly. We work in the garden every day. So what is subject here? We. What we will do after that? Put the helping verb are. We are. And work is our first form of verb. Along with ing will become working. We are working where? In the garden now. Understood? Second sentence is the children play games every day. So what is subject? The children. And what we will do here again? We will put the helping verb are plus play will be changed into playing with first form of verb plus ing, and the rest of things object, games, and now. So the children are playing games now. C is the sun rises in the east every day. What is subject here? The sun. What we will do next? Put the helping verb is. What we will do with rise verb? We will add ing with it. The sun is rising in the east at the moment. Got it? Every day will be changed into at the moment, right now. The thing is happening right now. D is she takes her dog for a walk every day. So what is subject here? She. What we will do next? We will put helping verb is, are or am. So she is, and takes will change into first form of verb take plus ing. She is taking. Her dog is a object for a walk now. The last one is our dog chases cats every day. So what is subject here? Our dog. What we will do next? We will put helping verb is, and then we will add ing with the first form of verb chase. So it will become our dog is chasing cats now. Understood, students? Hope you have understood the difference between simple present and present continuous. In simple present, the things are happening in routine, in usual, in everyday matters. And in simple present continuous, the things will happen now. Okay, this is all about the activities of the Skylark. Hope you have understood.